Computer cleaning involves the process of removing dust, dirt, and debris from the inside and outside of a computer to maintain its performance and prolong its lifespan. Here are some steps to effectively clean a computer. 1. Turn off the computer and unplug it from the power source. 2. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from the vents, fan, and other openings on the computer case. 3. Use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to wipe down the exterior of the computer, including the keyboard, mouse, and monitor. 4. Open up the computer case and use compressed air to carefully blow out dust from the internal components such as the CPU, GPU, and motherboard. 5. Use a mild cleaning solution and a soft cloth to clean the screen and monitor. 6. Reassemble the computer and plug it back in. Regular computer cleaning is important to prevent overheating, maintain optimal performance, and prevent damage to internal components. It's recommended to clean your computer at least every few months, or more often if you have pets or live in a dusty environment.